Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook Group Admin Assist to make your group spam-free. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know how you can moderate your Facebook group? It is important to keep your Facebook group a conducive community for your members. You should prevent people from sharing unwanted posts and comments that are offensive to other members. This helps your community free from spam content. Admin Assist is one of the tools that admins can use to manage spam content or messages in their Facebook group. Admin Assist automatically manages the posts shared in your group and the activities that your members are contributing based on the criteria that you have set. You can access this tool by going to your Facebook group. Under Manage, you can find Admin Assist below the list of admin tools. This page allows you to add criteria based on activities that are happening on your Facebook group. Manage Posts. Scroll down to view the Manage Posts section. You can set criteria to decline incoming posts, remove published posts, turn off commenting, or move posts to review. You can click Add for each option. For some options, you can create your own. Under Presets, select Spam Posts. You can keep your group free from unwanted posts or spam. Click this option, then set a criteria for these options. First, post that has certain keywords. Click on the pencil icon to edit the criteria. Now click this section. You can add keywords that will help you monitor spam posts. All added keywords will be shown here. Type in another keyword to add. You can pair these criteria with another action. Now choose an action from the drop-down list. You can choose from the options only decline incoming post, decline incoming post and suspend author, or decline incoming post and ban the author. Choose an option, then click Save and Continue. Next, the author does not have a profile picture. Click this icon to edit. You can also pair this criteria with another action. You can choose to decline only incoming posts, suspend, or ban the author. Then click Save and Continue. Next, for this criteria, you can decline incoming posts if it has at least 10 characters or it has fewer than 10 characters. Then pair this criteria with another action. You can choose only decline incoming post, suspend, or ban the author. Then click Save and Continue. Next, post has links to specific sites. Add a link. Next, set an action if a post has a link. Click Save and Continue. Now click Add to Admin Assist. Next, remove published posts. Click Add. You can use the presets Post with Conflict, Contentious Posts, and Posts with Harmful Content. If a post received more comments in the past hour or it has been reported more times, you can edit these numbers and pair them with another action. You can choose to turn off commenting, suspend, or ban the author. Now click Add to Admin Assist. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using CloudFunnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With CloudFunnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try CloudFunnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.